Hello, it's April from April's Home, and today I thought I would share with you my simple recipe for grain-free chicken nuggets. My grandkids love chicken nuggets, and so do I. So I wanted to find a good recipe for making grain-free chicken nuggets. You will need a pound of ground chicken. You'll need 1 cup of cheese, shredded cheese. My favorite is the Great Value Pizza Blend cheese. This is a mixture of mozzarella and mild cheddar cheese. So you could also use half a cup of shredded mozzarella and half a cup of mild cheddar cheese shredded if you have a difficult time finding the pizza blend. And you'll need half a cup of grated parmesan cheese, the powdered variety. You'll need a few dashes of garlic powder and a few dashes of black pepper. I don't usually add any additional salt to this recipe because I find that the grated Parmesan cheese adds enough salt for my taste. If you need a little bit more salt, you can always add a little bit of salt as well. So I've got a big mixing bowl here. I'm also going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper and preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to go ahead now and empty my chicken into the bowl along with 1 cup of my pizza blend shredded cheese and half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Okay, I've put the chicken in the bowl here as well as my 1 cup of shredded cheese and half cup of Parmesan cheese. And I've got a fork here that I'll use to mix everything together. We like the flavor of garlic powder here, so I'm going to add a few dashes of garlic powder here, just like so, and a few dashes of black pepper. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the fork to mix everything together. Then I'll be ready to portion this out onto my parchment-lined baking sheet. This is what our chicken nugget mixture looks like when it's all mixed together. Again, I just mixed that using a fork, just kind of pressing the ingredients in and stirring it together until everything was thoroughly combined. I've got a cookie scoop here, a medium cookie scoop that I'm going to use to portion out scoops of the chicken nuggets onto a parchment-lined baking sheet, and then I like to use my clean hands to form them into little chicken nugget shapes. I have scooped out the chicken nuggets onto my parchment-lined baking sheet. They start out like this, then using my hand, I flatten them out into a chicken nugget shape. Just flattening them out and pressing them together so that they are in a shape similar to a chicken nugget here. And I can move them around the pan a little bit so that they fit nicely. So I'll go ahead and finish getting these all flattened out so that they all look like this and that they're on the parchment lined baking sheet here. I have portioned out about 17 here. I usually get around at least 15 chicken nuggets out of a pound of chicken along with the cheeses that I add. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven at 400 when I've got them all flattened out here, and I will bake them for 10 minutes. Then I will check on them, flip them over, and bake them until they're cooked all the way through. I'll let you know how long they take to cook in my oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Here are the grain-free chicken nuggets after 10 minutes of cooking. I'm going to go ahead now and flip them. So just like so, I'll go ahead and flip all of these and return them to the oven for another 10 minutes. My grain-free chicken nuggets are out of the oven. After their first 10 minutes, I flipped them over and then I gave them another 13 minutes to cook. I checked them with a thermometer to make sure that they were cooked all the way through. And here they are. They smell delicious and they look great. So I'm going to go ahead and get these put on a plate and I'll give them a try. So here is my batch of grain-free chicken nuggets ready to go. Like I said, they smell delicious and we always love these. The grandkids are still getting used to the grain-free chicken nuggets. They still also like their standard chicken nuggets, but it is such a nice option when I'm enjoying chicken nuggets with them that we can have some grain-free chicken nuggets here to enjoy. I personally like to enjoy these with a little bit of Primal Kitchen ketchup mixed with a little bit of mayonnaise. It's really good that way. It makes a nice dipping sauce that is low in sugar. My grandkids do enjoy these with chicken dipping sauce or Chick-fil-A sauce, and they also like these with ketchup. So I'm going to go ahead now and give one a try. Here I have served myself up one to try out. You can see that it looks delicious inside here. And now I'll give this one a try. These are so delicious. The garlic in these, as well as the different kinds of cheese, really give this a wonderful savory flavor that I think is really, really good. These are definitely my preferred chicken nuggets. I really do enjoy having these chicken nuggets here for a quick lunch or with some different veggie sides for a nice dinner. So that is my recipe for low-carb, grain-free chicken nuggets. I hope you enjoy hearing how I make my grain-free chicken nuggets, and I hope you give it a try. I hope everyone is having a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.